So you just have to jump up and go. All right.
And that's an Outback, I mean, anywhere.
Figure it's easier doing it this way than
on the way
taking
back.
pictures.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, we appreciate y'all coming out this morning. Thanks for braving what could be not so good weather, but it looks like it's going to be nice today. Appreciate y'all coming. We're going to have some singing here from Willing Hearts in just a few minutes. Y'all want to make your way up here. The judges is about to start. So when we do that, we're going to open up and sing a word of prayer. Everybody can do it. Father God, we thank you.
And I was going to trade the Civic in,